beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is how your next 48 hours will be. Yes friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now. Friends, do subscribe our channel. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot if you haven't already, and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Friends, whenever they are posted, I post daily almost 2 to 3 readings. Friends, so subscribe, like and share. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Also friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it's going to help you out, friends. And the channel schedule is, friends, I post alternate days in Hindi and English in both. If you want only Hindi Urdu readings, you can check my other channel, Magic Wens Tarot Hindi. Friends, the link is in the timestamps, so let's not waste any more time. Let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath. Choose option 1, this beautiful blue card. Take a deep breath. Choose option 1, this blue card, the throat chakra. Option number 2, the green card. Option number 3, the pink card, crown chakra. Take a deep breath, relax and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Hamisha, like always friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section. Friends, you can directly skip from there, and also friends, you can choose more than one pile. If you feel drawn to that, you can choose more than one. That's okay, perfectly fine. Let's see what will happen in 48 hours for pile number 1. See, so for those who chose option number 1, this throat chakra, this beautiful blue card. And friends, if you are watching the readings in English and you enjoy them, friends, please do let me know in the comment section, because if you only comment on Hindi reading saying that you don't, I want to see your appreciation. If you appreciate, I would put that content more. So please let me know. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see your cards. This is your advice card for the next 48 hours. These are your oracle messages. Let's see your cards first. I'm excited. Let's see. Oh wow, the world. La la. And I think so the brightness is too much. The world, the hanged man, the 8 of swords, the queen of swords, the 3 of wands, and the death. Oh my god. Friends, next 48 hours are going to be very, very, very important for you, because you are struggling right now. You are struggling, you are feeling very restricted. You also feel very tired, or also stuck in some place. Some situation is making you feel stuck. You are not feeling happy, friends. You are not feeling happy right now. It could be that you feel like you don't have any power to change a situation right now. It could be any situation at work or in your love life or life in general. But currently you are feeling very stuck. You are feeling very restricted by a situation. There like this pause in life, there is this pause in life right now. Like things are very slow, or they are not moving at all in life for you right now, and it's frustrating you. It is frustrating you. So the next 48 hours, I see you coming out of a bad situation. Absolutely. Either you are going to come out of these restrictions which are holding you down, these, this pain, this restriction, this powerlessness, something is stopping you, making you feel stuck. You are going to come out of it in the next 48 hours, or you may decide to end a situation which makes you feel stuck or which is not moving forward. So that energy is there, friends. If there has been an ending in your life, you will be focusing on it in the next 48 hours. If there has been no ending, You may decide to end a situation, whether it is love or in career or in life in general. You may decide to end that situation and move ahead, because the next 48 hours you want change. You just don't want to stay in your comfort zone. You also don't want to stay restricted, without freedom. Some of you may have some tough time staying indoors, staying at home with the current world situation. I think you may find it difficult to stay at home, because it's like you want some change, you want some freedom. It makes you feel like, you can't go out, you can't do anything. Any restrictions you don't like, in the next 48 hours you will change them. And some of you have already done this. Like, you have ended a situation in your life, whether it is a love relationship that you have ended, whether it is a job you have left, or you have finished your college, you are waiting for your exams or your results or some new job. You are ready for moving ahead, but you will be focusing on those things which you have ended, and at the same time you will also be focusing on the new things coming your way. I feel like some of you are waiting for communications. Some communications may happen in the next 48 hours which can make you unhappy. Like, there can be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person important to you in the next 48 hours. I feel like if you are married, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, or someone, someone who is very dominating can come and make your life a little difficult, or some arguments may happen. So you need to stay careful. If you are if you are working, it can be your boss or someone who is quite dominating. They might send you a message, or they might upset you. Some arguments can happen about the information or conversations coming your way in the next 48 hours. So how you communicate is very necessary. How you communicate will determine how the situation will be, because you chose this throat chakra. I also feel, friends, that in the next 48 hours, you will be focusing on forward momentum in future ahead. You will be focusing on how to move ahead in life, what to do next in life, your future goals, your future, future plans. All those things are on your mind. You may think about your past, but you don't want it anymore. You are just done with your past. If I see in your love life someone from your past is on your mind, or they may want to come back again, but you are ready, you are sure, you don't want anything from your past, you are done with it, and you just want to move ahead. For some of you, some social media communication will be coming in, like from someone will try to message you, or someone will try to, some ex or someone from your past will try to message you from the social media, email, text, or messages. But you need to stay patient, friends, or need to take a different approach to this relationship or this message coming your way, because I see that it might upset you or make you angry or make you feel like, why they are messaging me now. Let's see your other cards. Co-create, number 40. So definitely, friends, your focus is on manifesting new things in life. You don't want the old things. And if someone from the past is coming, you want to see change in them. You will not accept them like they were behaving in the past. You want some good changes. And sorry to say, if something has not ended in the past for you, maybe a relationship or a job, it can end in the next 48 hours. Like you may stop talking to a friend or a relative or a mother-in-law, father-in-law, or someone. An argument can happen, friends, which can upset you. So be careful about that. Yin, number 2. Yes, a lot of good things are coming your way, and you need to stay receptive towards it. Like, you have a lot of I feel pile number one, you are very caring, very nurturing, you are very good people, but sometimes people have abused your good nature. So it is time in the next 48 hours. It is time to, take care of yourself, be there for yourself, and stand up for yourself. I see that people, you have to stand up for yourself in the next 48 hours. Absolutely. Anything else that will happen in the next 48 hours for pile number one? Oops. Okay, let me just pick it up. I'll pull another one meanwhile. Wow, creativity. The three of pen. This is the three at the Empress, the High Priestess, the Empress. Actually, the major arcana. It's the Empress card. Friends, your creativity will be very, very high, and you will be choosing yourself, putting yourself forward in the next 48 hours. You should take care of your health, and if there might be some negative influences right now or in the next 48 hours, but you should keep yourself a priority and not focus on those people or those situations. Let me just pick that card. The card that went flying off the table is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Trust card. Yes, friends, some things are ending, but a new beginning has not yet started for you. It may be confusing that where you are going right now, you can't see where you will land in the future, what will happen. Some of you are even thinking like there is no future for you. But friends, there are amazing things coming your way. Stay open, stay receptive, and keep creating, keep working on your new ideas. So let's see your advice for the next 48 hours. Yes, your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. Yes, friends, watch out for your intuition. If your intuition says something is too good to be true, yes, you are right. If your intuition is saying that ex-lover or a past lover or someone is coming back and things will repeat again, so yes, you are right. If you feel a good job is coming your way, yes, it is coming your way, friends. You need to trust your intuition, and good things are coming your way. So that's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vends Tarot, like and share this video, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvendstarot.com. And friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Vends Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful green heart chakra card, let us see how your next 48 hours will be. This is your advice card for the next 48 hours. This is your extra oracle messages. We'll look at them in the end. Your cards are the 8 of Pentacles, nice. The 7 of Swords, the Page of Wands, the Knight of Cups. Okay. Wow, the Sun, that's beautiful. And the 7 of Cups, interesting. Very interesting. I feel, friends, the next 48 hours, you may feel a little confused. I actually feel that very strongly, like some confusions are coming your way in the next 48 hours. I also feel that next 48 hours you will be quite busy because you will be doing a lot of work. There is a lot of work coming your way in the next 48 hours. I also see you like some guest will visit your place, or someone is coming over, or like if you are working, there is extra work coming your way. So I see you doing a lot of things in the next 48 hours. So watch out for that. I think you are not ready, but a lot of work is coming. You're gonna be busy. I also feel, friends, and then someone has been being dishonest with you. I feel it is in love. Like someone is not telling you the truth. They keep changing their statement, their sentences. I feel like this person is quite, I don't know what's the right word, but someone is not being honest with you, and you may find this out in the next 48 hours. Like someone keeps coming back and going out of your life. Someone keeps coming in and going back. They kind of they never it's like they kind of always very defensive towards themselves. So I feel, friends, this person may try to message you again, they may try to offer you love again, and they may suddenly be back after a long time. Because why? Because they are seeing you very happy. This person could be your twin flame, or they could be a past lover or an ex-lover, or someone you were married with once. I feel this person is watching your social media, they are stalking you, and they know you are doing well right now, you are feeling a little happy without them. And I think in the next 48 hours this person is already going to message you, or they have already messaged you. I feel very strongly, friends, this person from your past who is kind of a player, or who is kind of a sneaky person, you know, they are sneaky, they come in, they go out, they are keeping an eye on your social media, they will be messaging you, and it will confuse you. I think for some of you, they have already sent you a message. It has already happened, like maybe today, or in the like yesterday they have messaged you, or they will be in the next 48 hours. It's going to confuse you, because I also see another person trying to come towards you. It could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or you could be these sun signs. I see someone else trying to, someone else who is more a reliable person, a reliable partner, or a new friendship coming towards you in the next 48 hours. But this person from the past, they will also sneak in, they will try to message you, or their thoughts will be on your mind. You will be confused, absolutely confused, because someone is thinking, you know, their thoughts keep coming in your mind in the next 48 hours. If this person is not messaging you, you will keep thinking about them. And you will feel a little confused why they didn't choose you, why they left you. There may be two lovers coming for you, or you already have two lovers, so you'll be like whether to choose which one, which one. I also feel that some of you are dealing with a crush, that you like someone, and you may feel a little confused in the next 48 hours. Should you approach them or should you not? This person might be a celebrity or someone famous, or someone you see in a very positive light. So, you know, you will be excited about your crush, or falling in love, or liking someone, but you may also feel a little confused. Should you tell them? Should you not tell them your feelings? I also feel, friends, some compliments are going to come your way in the next 48 hours. So congratulations. I think someone is going to reward you, or some money is coming, like maybe a little money, but some money is coming your way. I also see that someone will compliment you for your smile, or your hairs, or your hard work. Someone will absolutely compliment your beauty or your hard work, and this will make you feel excited. Let's see your extra oracle messages. Unfinished symphony number 10, friends. Oh my god, this person, there is someone from the past which is lingering in your mind or in your energy. They are also thinking about you. They might try to win you back again. They might message you in the next 48 hours, or you will think about that person. This person could be a musician, an artist, or a singer, a music, you know, sorry friends, a creative person, a media person. Or maybe they will post some social media quotes or something which will be a cryptic message for you, like it is meant for you, but they are not telling you. Observer, see, someone is stalking your social media. Absolutely, friends, you need to be careful, because I see this person is a little sneaky, and they may try to come in your life just because they see you are very happy. Sorry for the it shouldn't be this way, but that's how it is appearing, that they will message you because they see you are doing very happy, or you have moved on. I also feel you will be also, our viewers will be also stalking someone, and probably that person is your crush, or that person is someone you like a lot, or you feel inspired by that person. So you'll be watching them, observing them. I also feel, friends, some of you will be watching a lot of social media news, or maybe our channel you will be binge watching. I see that. Maybe on Magic Vents Tarot you are binge watching, but it will be something that will make you feel happy. Whatever you will do in the next 48 hours, it will bring you peace and happiness, but some confusions also. So watch out for that. Someone can make you feel confused, especially someone from the past. Let's see your extra advice for the next 48 hours. Have faith, your prayers are manifesting. Remain positive and follow your guidance. That's beautiful, friends. You are on the right path, especially in your work and career. I feel some of you are really stressed about your work, your career, because I see you working hard, but you are not getting the reward yet. But it's coming, friends. Your prayers are manifesting. Remain positive and follow your guidance. And you do remain positive and look for the signs and follow them. So let's pull some extra messages. What will happen in the next 48 hours for pile number 2? I also feel you should be bold in the next 48 hours, because you have the Page of Wands here. So maybe an interview call or something, some extra job letters, or some sudden, someone may just hire you or something. So you need to stay bold. Playfulness, again, see, the Knight of Wands is here, the Page of Wands is here, the Knight of Wands is here. Playfulness. I think the next 48 hours you're gonna feel very, very playful, happy and relaxed. And if maybe you may not feel that way, because you do have some confusions also. So I would suggest you to watch something that gives you pleasure and happiness, because otherwise you can feel a little unhappy. So focus on your happiness, friends. What makes you happy, do that thing in the next 48 hours. You also have an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Queen of Swords. So definitely, friends, some worry and anxiety can happen. Absolutely. It's high emotion and high passionate time the next 48 hours for you. You may either feel very upset or very good or very confused or very happy. So watch out for that. And that's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, friends. And if this reading resonated with you, let me know in the comment section. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. This is Mystic Z saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful Crown Chakra card, let us see how your next 48 hours will be. This is beautiful. Let's see. This is your advice card. These are your oracle messages. We'll look at that shortly. Let's see. Justice, very nice. The Empress, wow. The Fool, oh my god, 3 major arcanas. The 2 of Cups, the 9 of Swords, the Queen of Wands, and the 3 of Cups. Wow. Very interesting. I feel, friends, in the next 48 hours, a lot will be happening. Actually, a lot is on your mind, a lot of things are on your mind. First and foremost, I feel some of you are feeling a lot of anxiety. You are feeling a lot of lack of sleep, or you are not sleeping properly. Some of you are also facing some depression, or you are depressed about something. I don't know why, but it keeps feeling like you are unhappy with the relationship, like you were counting on a relationship to work, but instead it failed. You have been in a breakup or something recently or in the past. So you're anxious about a relationship. Maybe you are single, you want a relationship, but it's not yet in your life, so you feel anxious about it. maybe a little depression. I feel, friends, in the next 48 hours, something will shift, or you can do something to shift this energy of depression, sadness, feeling left out. What can you do? I feel, firstly, you have to believe in your destiny. I see that you are not at all believing in your destiny, that you deserve good things or good things will come your way. So, destiny, you need to believe in your destiny, and maybe in the next 48 hours you will get a sign if you ask for, from the universe or from the god or from the angels, whatever you follow. I definitely feel some karmic justice is going to happen. You will feel your destiny or angels or universe support for you in the next 48 hours. Why? Because you are feeling very unhappy, very depressed, very um, or you may feel this way in the next 48 hours, like why you are single, why things, why your luck is tough, why life is bad for you. You may feel all those things in the next 48 hours, but remember, justice is with you. Some karmic justice, destiny is going to shift for you. Some things ended because they were meant to end for you. Some things are going to start or happen for you because they are part of your destiny. No, you chose the crown chakra. Look at this, number 7. I feel 1111 is also important for you. Maybe you are dealing with a twin flame or a marriage situation or legal issues in some way. So please know that whatever is happening is destined for you. If a marriage has ended, it was part of your contract, it was part of your destiny. If you are single, you are bound to get married or find that soulmate. It is part of your destiny. If you are married and you feel like you need to have children or expand your family, yes, it's part of your destiny and you can start working on it. The next 48 hours, I'm sorry, I don't know, should I say sorry or should I say congratulations, because there is a chance of pregnancy happening in the next 48 hours. Or some of you may get the news that, maybe someone in the family is pregnant, or someone is expecting a baby, someone around you, your friends, their friends. So a lot is happening, friends. A lot is happening. I also see that some of you will be connecting with your friends, your old school friends, childhood friends. Some party or some celebration is coming. Maybe your birthday is coming, or someone in the family or friends have birthdays, so you will be joining them. Maybe offline on in real or on social media, you will be connecting. Some celebrations are going to come your way. Absolutely. Maybe you are in Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you will be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in the next 48 hours. I also feel you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini in the next 48 hours. So next 48 hours you'll be focusing on new things in life. You want a new start. You want to take a leap of faith. If there is someone new, you want to date them, or you want to know them. There is a potential relationship that is coming your way, but it's not, I don't feel it's right now there in your life. But you need to believe it, and you need to believe in your destiny. Don't doubt it. I also feel like some of you, there is a person who likes you, but they are running away from your love, like a twin flame or something, or like they are running away from your love. That person may take a leap of faith towards you. I also feel the next 48 hours people will find you very sexy, very passionate, very lively. If you are a man, women will find you very attractive. So that's a good thing. I think your social, your I think place your most beautiful pictures and all, because people are going to be drawn towards you. So man or a woman, you are going to attract a lot of attention. That's a good thing. I also feel, friends, next 48 hours you could be dealing with some legal issues or some news regarding some marriage, legal issues, or if you are exams, dates, all those things will be there. Some of you could be worried about an exam date, or some of you are worried whether you will clear your exam. Yes, if you study, you will clear it. If you keep worrying, you might not clear it. So that is there, friends. You need to focus because they have come together, these both, the Empress and the Nine of Swords. So whichever you focus on, that will increase. Chaos and conflict, number 33. You have a lot of angel signs. Number 333, number 777. I think some of you are anxious because you are single from a long time, or you don't have children right now, even if you are married. So you are worried about that. So there is chaos and conflict. I think it is time to heal yourself. Find the love within right now. Focus on yourself, the Empress. Focus on yourself. Celebrate life. Serendipity. Wow. Something great is coming your way, friends. Absolutely. Something beautiful is coming your way. And you need to trust it. And what I feel like you are really doubting your luck. That whatever you are wanting will not happen for you. Because it has not yet happened for you. Friends, it will happen for you. Trust in your luck. Do not give up. Number 18, number 33, 11, 12 and 14 are important for you. Let's see your advice. Wow, morning affirmations. Say positive affirmations each morning to open the gate of manifestations. Yes, friends, I think you are praying for something. Whether it is a baby, for some of you it is a new job, for others it is this love relationship, marriage. For others of you it is a new work. Maybe you want a home, a bigger house, or happiness in life, in all your relationships. Friends, whatever you asking, it is coming, friends. Keep positive and know that luck is with you. Do not doubt your luck, and in the next 48 hours some extra luck will be yours, you know, because you have this Three of Cups and the serendipity. So extra luck is coming your way, absolutely. Let's see what will happen in the next 48 hours for pile number 3. Money is coming your way. The Fool, oh my god, look at this. The Fool is here from another deck. And look what I just shuffled out. The Fool. Oh, it's a new beginning, friends. It's a new start for you. The next 48 hours will bring a new start in your life. You may not know it, or it may not appear to you, but when you look back in the from the future, you will see this was the time things started to change. I see some of you could be traveling also, or yeah, definitely next 48 hours someone will travel towards you, or you are traveling somewhere. Existence, look at this. Wow. You will be focusing on more bigger things in life, you know, why you have come on this planet, what is your life purpose, all those things. Big things are on your mind. Receptivity, the Queen of Cups. You could be attracting a lot of emotional people in your life. So you may feel, you know, you will be attracting a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. It could be your twin flame. I also feel next 48 hours it will be highly spiritual time for you. A lot of spiritual things will be happening. You will be feeling very connected to your emotions and your feelings, you know. Crown chakra is also here, so very spiritual time. Some of you could also be praying more, connecting with God, or whatever your religion is, connecting to that. Ripeness, see, 9 of Pentacles. Money is coming your way, friends, or some career success is coming. You're very worried about your career. You have to trust. The Fool is here twice. Trust in things that have not yet happened. Trust in your luck. Believe in yourself. Money is coming your way, friends. Absolutely. There will be some celebration coming your way. And that's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot. Do let me know if you enjoyed this reading, friends. Especially if you enjoyed the English readings. Do let me comment, friends, so I know you enjoy them and you watch them. Because if you just watch, it sometimes doesn't. I do not know if you enjoy them or not. So do comment, friends. Let me know. It helps me to keep keep the energy flowing also. So thank you so much for commenting, sharing, liking, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.